In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Word document into Canva. This is really useful if you've already written your content in Word and you want to turn it into a polished design, like a presentation, worksheet, or social media graphic, without having to copy and paste everything manually. First, open Canva and head to the design or project where you want your Word document content to appear. You can start with a blank design or open an existing one. It's completely up to you. Once your design is open on the screen, look to the left-hand side where you see the main toolbar. Here you'll find the section that says Uploads. Go ahead and click on that. When you open the Uploads panel, you'll see a few different options, including images, videos, and other media you might have used before. What we want to do here is bring in a file from your computer, so look for the button that says Upload Files and click on it. This tells Canva that you're ready to choose a file from your device to bring into your design. After clicking Upload Files, a file browser window will pop up from your computer. Navigate to the folder where your Word document is saved. You're looking for a file with a .doc or docx extension. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct document, especially if you have several versions or drafts. Once you've found it, click on the file and then confirm by pressing Open in the file browser window. At this point, Canva will start importing your Word document. You'll usually see a small progress indicator in the Uploads panel while the file is being processed. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet connection and the size of the document, so give it a moment and avoid clicking around too much while it loads. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts that Canva provides. These prompts might guide you through how the content will appear, or give you options on how to use your imported file within the design. Just read each message carefully and confirm the choices that best match how you want your document to look. Once the import is complete, your Word content will be ready for you to arrange, format, and customize directly inside Canva.